recycling is a facade.
Right now, yes. And if it is going to work in any way that resembles safe or sustainable, a lot of changes need to happen. And those changes need to occur from the very beginning of plastics life. So we need to know what products are being produced, what kinds of polymers and plastics are being used in them, what kinds of chemicals are being added to them. So we're calling for transparency and reporting around chemicals and products, but also traceability through the value chain, which is very complex. And this is a very big ask given the 16,000 chemicals I just mentioned. So, another step in trying to make this feasible would be to reduce complexity. If we could work with the idea of chemical simplification, we could have simpler markets with fewer molecules that we need to report and trace, and we could increase safety and recyclability of the products that are on the market. So, there needs to be progress in design standards in what and how we're producing things.
I mean,